There is a lot of tricky terminology when it comes to talking about clinical trials. Something someone might hear is principal investigator. This is the person who is in charge of the clinical trial and oversees everything within the trial. There are many types of clinical trials that eligible people can participate in. For example, the scientific gold standard for experiments is a double-blind study. This is when nobody in the clinical trial staff knows what treatment plans the patient will receive. It is important to note that in these types of trials, there are records of the treatment that the patient is getting for emergencies. In clinical trials, there are the control groups, who receive the placebo, and the experimental groups, who receive the treatment in question. A placebo is often the next best thing, or a sugar pill if no other treatment is available. The placebo serves as a benchmark for a comparison between the two substances. In order for a clinical trial to be conducted, it must get approval from the IRB, or the Institutional Review Board. This board consists of established scientists where they review the clinical trials and make sure it ensures the safety of the participants. Clinical trials must also comply with HIPAA, a law that ensures that your privacy is protected. Only individuals specifically related to your clinical trial can access your personal information. Nothing identifiable will ever be seen by someone other than those researchers. Researchers must also practice informed consent, meaning they must give you all the information necessary for you to make an informed and educated opinion about whether that clinical trial is right for you. And remember to ask about any questions or concerns you may have. If the drug or treatment meets the outcome measure or the results the researchers expect, it will go through a rigorous process of FDA approval on its safety and efficacy before it's put onto a doctor's prescription or treatment. You or someone you know may play a big part in this process from clinical trial to effective medical treatment. Be informed, educated, and ready in this important part of science and medicine.